Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss about permutations as you can see on your screen. And before that, I would like to request that you should bring your paper, your pencil, or any writing material kasi may gagawin tayo na activity. So the activity will be consider the set 1, 2. List down the possible orderly arrangements of the given set. Please give this a try, and if you're ready, please play the video and you will see the solution. Okay? Okay. So here is the solution. So we have 1, 2 and 2, 1. So therefore, we have two arrangements. So let us proceed to the activity number 2. Consider the set 1, 2, 3. List down the possible orderly arrangements of the given set. So as always, please pause the video if you want to try, and if you're ready, please play the video and you will see the solution. So here is the solution. So we have the following arrangements. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 3, 2. We have 1, 2, 1, 3. We have 2, 3, 1. We have 3, 1, 2. We have 3, 2, 1 rather. So we have 6 arrangements. That is not possible. We can just name it orderly. Okay. Okay. So what is the insight? What are your insights about these activities, or yes, about these activities that we have done? So as you can see here, you've been tasked to list the orderly arrangements of the given sets. And notice the phrase orderly arrangements. So what does it mean? It means it is basically the permutation of the set. Okay. So basically the meaning of this again is the permutation of the set. And that's the exact meaning of permutation. So let us put the definition of permutation in this section. Okay? So permutations are ordered arrangements of all objects in a given set. That's the definition of permutations. So let us do another item. So let us try to answer. So how many arrangements can you make when there are 5 erasers on a row? If you want to answer this, if you want to give it a try, please pause the video. And if you're ready, play the clip and you will see the solution. So it's up to you how to answer this. So after you answer, let me show you my answer. So please pause the video. Okay, so the solution here is a little bit different because I don't use this. You know the reason why I did not use this method, the listing method rather, kasi it would just take me a lot of time. So in this lesson we have this term called factorial. So factorial, ito yung itsura ng factorial. So it is the product of all positive integers from n to 1. Okay? So ano yung factor? So basically, ang factor is, it's the product of all positive integers from n to 1. So ito yung ginagamit ko para ma-solve nito. Because if I'm gonna do the listing method, ang mangyari dyan, it will just take me a lot of time. So I will just put 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, or etc. So it will just take me a lot of time. So instead, I use this formula. So n factorial, decimate, so that is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times etc. until 3 times 2 times 1, depending what is the value of n. So if let's say n is equal to 3, so maging 3 times 2, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so let's go back to the problem. So we have here the solution. So the solution is 5 factorial. So we have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that is equal to 20 times 3 times 2 times 1. And we have 120 times 1, and that, so we have 120 arrangements. Okay. I have an interesting fact about factorials. Did you know that 0 factorial is equal to 1? Alam niyo bakit? Bakit hindi ba siya 0? Kasi we just tackled that n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times etc. So here's my explanation why. So 0, supposed to be we have a set that has only one element called 0. So my question would be, how many arrangements could you make in this set? Well, obviously it's only one arrangement, same as 1 as well. Okay, I'm gonna go to this part. Okay, notice why there are 6. Okay, notice that when we use the factorial in this activity, so okay, so let us write down. Okay, so we have 3 elements, right? So that is 3 factorial. So that is 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. So notice that they have the same answers. Did you know that this thing factor is actually derived from this kind of problems? Because as you can see, okay, notice this. We have the group of ones kasi 1 nasa pinaka first, and we have the group of twos. Okay, so we have the group of threes as well. Oh wait, here you go. Yan, and di siya sige na lang. So as you can see, we have 3. So 1, 2, 3 groups. So we have 3 groups. See? So ano yung 2 dito? Ang 2 dito is this one. Ito. 1, 2. Yung 1 naman is, basta 1. Yung 1 is, the element. And the 2 is like the subgroup, and yung 3 ito. So that's why when we compute 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1. So 6 arrangements. So dito nag-derive. Okay, bakit ako nag-quit? Okay, go. So anyways, okay, so let's move on. So let's try to evaluate. So if you have your calculators, that would be good. Okay, I want you to evaluate the value of 8 factorial times 2 factorial, and as well as 5 factorial minus 3 factorial. So pause this video if you want to try, and if you're ready, please play the clip to see the solution. Okay, here you go. So 8 factorial times 2 factorial, that is equal to this form. Okay, 8 times 7 times 6 up to 1 times 2 times 1. So if you calculate that in your calculator, that is equal to 80,640. Number 2, we have 5 factorial minus 3 factorial. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2 times 2 times 1, that is equal to 114. So that's it. So medyo madali lang, right? Okay, so let us proceed to the other section of this topic. Okay, so we have a theorem. So just wait. So this is the essential theorem of this topic. So the theorem will be the number of permutations of n distinct objects taken r at a time is given by P Okay, so p is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Actually, in this theorem, I will have two parts for this. So, ang part 1 is ngayon, that is the evaluation again. And the part 2 would be, let us try to solve problems involving permutations. So, let us go to the to the examples. And how can we use it? Okay? Okay, here you go. So, evaluation. So, what is P and R is if n is equal to 10 and R is equal to 3. So, simple lang yan siya. So, of course, let us substitute n with 10. So, 10 factorial. So, divided by, okay, let me use a pen. So, n minus r, that is 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. Okay? So, when you calculate it in your calculator, ito yung dapat itsura niya. Just wait. So, ito dapat i-type nyo. So, 10p3. Calculators niyo. So, para maglabas si P, shift to have P, click shift plus yung button na NCR. Okay. Ganun lang siya. So next, let us evaluate P2921. Okay, so same method. So 29 factorial, so gi-substitute na natin si n agad. Tapos 29 minus 21, that is equal to 8. So 29 factorial over 8 factorial, or in a calculator, is just equal to 29p and 21. And that's it. So that's it for our video, and I hope may natutunan kayo. Okay, so far we have go into basics. So the part of this video, we will focus more on solving problems involving permutations. So that's it for today, and God bless. And by the way, I'm actually grade 10. Surprise, I'm actually grade 10. Sana may natutunan kayo. I hope na malinaw ito sa inyo. And that's it. Goodbye.